All right, welcome into the channel, folks. My name's Jason. Thanks for joining me. I got another box opening. This one is from Napa Cigars in Napa, California. If you don't know already, you probably already do. Maybe you don't. I worked for Eric over there at Napa Cigars for a really long time, pretty damn close to 10 years. You know, Eric and I are still really close friends, and we chat all the time. But he sent me a package. And let's go ahead and open this up and see what's inside, shall we? All right, here we go. Let's pop this bad boy open. This is a new, well, not new. This is one of my Benchmade knives. Benchmade is actually close to where I live, and so I frequent Benchmade all the time. Really good people over there. If you've never been to Benchmade, if you ever come to Oregon City, make sure you stop by Benchmade. It's a great place to go and check out all their latest knives they have there. So let's open this up and see what we got. I kind of have an idea of some of the stuff that might be in here, and then some of the stuff I don't know what's going to be in here. But if you're a cigar aficionado like myself and the other people that have subscribed to my channel, you might be happy to see what's in here. Let's see. Let's see what we got. Popping the box open now, and Eric did a good job taping this up. That is for sure. All right, so let me get this other part of this tape here. I'm not trying careful not cutting myself because could be a different type of a video. So we got some packaging here. Let's see what we got, shall we? Oh, we got some good stuff in here. Holy! So far we got so they had an Aladino event, and this is from the Aladino event. Look at all this stuff in here. Back of that right there, and then these were their event only cigars right here, and then there's something special in here for me. Those I cannot show you, so we'll not show those as of yet. That's something that's coming out later on, so I will not show you those yet, but that will be coming up next month, and I guarantee you that will be a huge deal for Napa Cigars. So once next month, when Eric says I can go ahead and show those, then I will do so. So let's pop these open, shall we? These are again from Aladino. I like the bags on those. Look how cool the bag is on that. Their box artwork is amazing. I just love how their stuff looks. Let's take a look and see what's in here, shall we? Pop this open and see. There's a bunch of stuff in here. Holy moly. So let's take some of these out and I'll show you what I got. There's a lot of stuff in here. Jeez. Thank you, Eric, very much. Let's see what we got here. So, all right. So this one is called, it's a Cameroon Aladino. Oh, it's Camp Aladino. Nice. So a Camp Aladino, there we go right there. This is, yeah, Robusto. Got that, and then he sent me, this is, what is this, 1947? This is a Noche, Yuma Noche, Toro. There you go right there. These, I have, Aladino's got great cigars, by the way. He sent me two of those. Oh, is this the same or is it different? No, same ones. So there's another one right there. And another Camp Aladino. Is that the same thing as the other one? No, this is a different one. This is a Corojo. This was a Cameroon. You go right there. I love these these are perfect size smokes, by the way. And then he sent me a Camp Aladino Maduro. Awesome. And then he sent me a Anniversario. Is that what that is? Yes, 85th Anniversario. Right there. And then these little classified ones. I'm not going to open these up yet, but these were little, these were what do you call them? The special event cigars. So I'll put a link to these and you can check out what they are. I don't want to open this up as of yet. I kind of want these to sit in my humidor for a little bit. So there you go. Quick unboxing from Eric at Napa Cigars. Eric, again, thank you so much for sending these over to me. It's much appreciated. And then, you know, if you guys have any questions about anything, don't forget to like, subscribe. And by the way, this special cigar in here, there's actually two of them. I'm not going to show you what they are as of yet. This is going to be coming out next month in November, and it's going to be a big deal. But I won't show these as of yet. I'm going to go ahead and smoke them, and then when they come out, I'll do a review on the cigar. All right, folks, don't forget to like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.